Round of applause, please.
Maraming salamat. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Chairman Hans, President Nikki, Sir Joseph, to all the athletes, NSA officials of hockey, ice hockey, and of course to the athletes, Southeast Asian Games athletes, to the winners, and to the parents and the sports media. Magandang hapon po ulit sa inyo lahat. It seems that today is a very busy day. I started my day going to a Navy club because I met the Philippine shooting team. So they had the same celebration. After that, I rushed to have lunch with the new president of the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, Ricky Vargas. After that, I rushed to Rizal. I was telling Chairman Hans, I rushed to Rizal to make sure that everything is on track for the WTA 125 of Alex Ayala on January 26. And I encourage all of you, most especially Chairman Hans, to visit Rizal at the soonest possible time because na-stress ako eh. Sabi ko, hindi pwedeng ganito lang yung Rizal kasi ang ganda-ganda ng SM Harrison eh. Kailangan pagandahin na rin natin kahit paano yung iconic Rizal. And you will be pleasantly surprised when you go there that something has changed. I think since we started the renovation, Chairman Hans, and rehabilitation of Rizal, Field Sports, and Baguio, siguro mga 30 trucks of trash na natapon natin eh. But now it's good, it's all asphalted with the support of Secretary Vince Dizon. We're putting up all the solar lights, we're doing the landscaping, but most important is we're adding 2,000 seats for tennis. Because if we just have 300 seats, sasabihin sa atin ng tao, nag-hosting ng WBA, 300 lang pala pwede ganito. But that is what I am doing as chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission. Athletes, I know that athletes and NSAs, they are happy every time they see me support a particular sport and their sport. I was in Thailand in the game of the latest game. I watched it personally. I wanted to observe. And I know that you won the silver medal. Alam mo yung Thailand, kaya natin talunin yan. I was talking to Bob. I can, just a little bit more time. Let's focus. Kaya natin talunin yung Thailand. But we need the support of Chairman Hans. Because they told me in Thailand, they have 11 skating rinks, Chairman. We have 3. Please add 8 more. Mr. Chairman, correct? Oh. That is why I'm here. To request Chairman Hans, sir, in Thailand they have 11. Please add 8 more. We can beat them in the next few years. And I think it's a good investment because I was told there's a new technology that can make it more, I think, in terms of cost. And again, let me take this opportunity, Chairman Hans and the NSAs and to the media friends. In the Philippine Sports Commission now, we have a new strategic framework. Because for the last so many years, every time you see PSC helping the athletes through supporting the event, supporting the athlete, etc. But right now, what we're doing with the new PSC, because in the charter it's very clear, actually PSC's money can be used as an investment. So Chairman Hans, if you will invest in other sports facilities, in any of your SMs or any of your properties or any of your projects, PSC actually is allowed to invest even on a minority. We will not do a majority thing. Let the private sector initiate it and let government support it by identifying how we can support and giving equity. Mamumuhunan rin po si PSC so that there's return para bumalik yung pera for your sport. So we did that with volleyball, we did that with futsal, we're doing it with tennis. So, di ba, Chairman, we hosted the earnings of World Volleyball, the FIVB and VF, the earnings they got there, they return to PSC. Because it's the same money we use for all the other athletes. And this is a framework that it's a sports consortium, JD type, minorities gobyerno. And that is the reason why I told Vicky, okay, President Vicky, I'll be there. It will be an honor, a privilege to see all of you guys and to meet Chairman Hans again so that we can help develop your sport in the entire country. Diba? So, ako po happy ako na nandito ko and rest assured that we are here to support the sport that you love and then dapat isa naman natin beat Thailand. Beat Thailand. You know, I'll tell you a secret. It's an open secret now. When the media interviewed me after the SEA Games, and they said, Chairman Pato, what can you say about our performance? I said, I am very happy. Why? Because we won in sports that mattered most to Thailand. We won 50 goals, but in the study released by Vietnam, we are number one, tied with Singapore, for winning the most number of gold medals in an Olympic sport. Yes, we are number 6 in the rankings, but we are number 1 in winning golds in sports that mattered most. That's the Olympics. We are 70%. Vietnam is at 50%. Thailand is at 55%. We are at 70%. That is why our focus is really how to excel in Olympic sports or Winter Olympic sports. So that is our new strategy and our framework. So, Chairman Hans, and to the members of the Federation, to the athletes, as I've said, I'm really happy to be here. And please continue with what you're doing. Dapat nang i-manifest nyo na. Is there, in Malaysia, will they play as early as now you have to manifest? We will beat Thailand. You know the football, the women's football? In Thailand, again, it's a open chismes. In Thailand, they have 2 futsal and 2 football, against women's futsal. Do you know that they had to do what you call something like an apology to the nation because they did not win a gold in football? Yeah. So it really hit them hard, and we won for the first time football gold. So we can do it. Just focus and tell yourself you can do it, and we have to thank Chairman Hans for all the support. Guys, can we please give a round of applause to President Chairman Hans? And then sigaw lang tayo, 8 more, sir, 8 more. 8 more. So maraming salamat, President Vicky. Thank you very much for the invitation. Maraming salamat po, Secretary.